Reason to apni ko.
Reason to apnaloge ki komo. Reason to mane apnaloge heri korai no. You have not asked for the permission.
Ar nijor jaga jabor ke ki mo guhat mo meeting no koru ta. Mo jaga to he sai pelai ahim na. Ta mo eku tat chaos create koribo ami na jao. Tat goi pelai sam amar matit. Are মোৰ পৰিয়াল সাপোজ মোৰ পৰিয়াল যে গুৱাহাটীত আছে মই তাত চাবলৈ কি পারমিশন লাগে তালৈকে যাবলৈ মোৰ পারমিশন নালাগে নহয় তো
Since possible like everything last on camera.
ইফালেৰ পৰা যে আপোনালোকে ফ্ৰী দিয়ে আমি আকৌ নিজৰ জেগা লাগে যাব নিদিয়ে আৰু আপুনি যদি এইবিলাক গোটেই যদি গম নাপায় কেনেকৈ হ'ব আপুনি ৰিস্ক ল'ব লাগিব আপুনি কৈছে মই আপোনাক ৰেচপেক্ট কৰিছোঁ আমি নাযাওঁ কিন্তু সিফালে যে আমাৰ কিমান চিল হ'বনে নাই কিমানলৈকে চিল হ'বনে নাই এইটো
ঠিক আছে আপোনালোকৰ গ্ৰিভেন্সবিলাক মোক ৰিটাৰ্ণ দিয়ক so that I can go and give it to the ma'am and then it will get escalated to the concerned authorities. I can just do that. That is my jurisdiction. Beyond that, I can't give you any promises.
So, আপুনি মাও গায় এৰা মন্তব্য কৰি থাকিলে নহয় আমাৰ মানুহবিলাক বহুত কষ্ট পাইছে আমি ইয়াত পলিটিক্স খেলিব অহা নাই আৰু আমি নিজৰ লাইমলাইট ল'বৰ কাৰণে আমি অহা নাই আমাৰ মানুহবিলাক কষ্ট হৈছে আপোনালোকে বুজাওক এটা মোৰ মানুহবিলাক তাত আছে তাত যদি মোৰ মানুহবিলাক প্ৰব্লেমছ মই যদি তাত কি হৈ আছে এইটো মই বুজিব যাবলৈ কাৰণে যদি আপুনি বাধা দিয়ে এটা আমাৰ মানুহবিলাকৰ ৰিস্ক কোনে ল'ব সেইটো
So দিয়া নাই just that আপোনালোকে আগতে যদি আমাক ক'লে would have proper arrangement আমি কৰিলোঁ হয় so that আপোনালোকৰ safety and security will compromise নহয়
আমি ইনফৰমেশ্যন দিলোঁ আপোনাৰ এসপ্তাহ আগৰ পৰা ইনফৰমেশ্যন দিয়া হৈছে এছ পি অফিচত আমি কাই ইনফৰমেশ্যন দিছোঁ
কাই ইনফৰমেশ্যন দিয়া হৈছে but for just a meeting at a particular place not visit the place of occurrence আপুনি I have the letter please don't put words in my mouth তাতে কালি মিটিঙৰ কথা মেনশ্যন কৰা আছে যদি ইন কেছ ইজ মেনশ্যন the place of occurrence আছে
এতিয়া আমি বৰ্ডাৰৰ গৈ পেলাই মিটিংটো নকৰোঁতো আমি মিটিং নকৰোঁ
আমাৰতো অকল তাত বৰ্ডাৰলৈকে যামহে আমাৰ মানুহ কাৰণে চাব যাম বা এজন দুজনৰ লগত কথা পাতি আমাৰ মিটিংটো তাত হয়
আমি মিটিং তাতেহে যাম আমি
but it was not mentioned on the letter that you have given that you guys want to visit to the place of
আৰু আপোনাৰ নাজানে বুলি ক'লে এনেকাতো মানে নাজানে মানে আগত কৰিছিলে আপোনাৰ এইটো বিষয়টো মই ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ নাজানো বুলি কৈ
আছে আমি পুৰা চিয়ৰকে কম যে আমি তাত একো প্ৰব্লেম ক্ৰিয়েট নহয় মানে আমি জাষ্ট যাম আৰু আহি যাম এইটোৱে আমাৰ ইয়াত কোনো কিবা আমাৰ কমিউনিটিৰ ক্লাছ ইয়াত একো আজি প্ৰব্লেম নহয়
you can take your own guarantee but can you take their guarantee no you can't take their guarantee so let us not escalate this issue further because there is going to be a meeting between two CMs very soon I mean can we just please wait for them so that
let the meeting
and place of
we have no problem
I'm just following my orders my superiors DC ma'am has clearly mentioned and told me that not to allow anyone
that's why I'm requesting
visit the place of occurrence
that's why I'm requesting
if you guys wanted to visit the place of occurrence then you should have given us a application based on that we have provided the necessary arrangement so that you guys can go there safe and secure please try to understand
say we have come here not to create any chaos just I told you again and again
but the thing is I can take your guarantee, all of their guarantee, but I can't take anyone else's guarantee. I can take guarantee of people who are under my jurisdiction, but I can't take guarantee of people who are not in my jurisdiction.
So beyond this area, that is not your jurisdiction.
Not this area.
Beyond this jurisdiction, that is not your. This area, that is
not the people of Karbi Anglong, but not the people of here.
Then why not? Why we are not allowed to go there? Why you are treating why are you treating us as an alliance?
It is a sensitive issue.
We are not alliance.
No.
We are the soil of the sun. But why we are not allowed to visit on our own land? Don't worry. This is the question again and again.
Why are you saying alliance and all that? I'm also just among one of you. Please don't say all this. I'm just saying that it is a matter which has just recently we have seen something happen in Khandoli. Let us not give them another reason. So that is what I'm trying to say. Please try to understand that at this moment, none of you have taken permission or have asked to visit the place which has seen some kind of violence few months back. So it might create another issue. Based on that apprehension, we are not allowing you to go there.
We are also cooperating. We are also cooperating. And you also
If you would have cooperated, you would have understand what I am trying to say now.
Why should we take permission to go our lane, sir?
This is our genuine land. What is the problem? That we just
From their side, they are visiting their
Law
borders.
and order issue can be there. That is why I am asked not to allow anyone to visit there. Okay?
No, actually our border is not here now. Then
I
you should
understand.
have to stay there.
There is
in
a
the border
potential,
area.
there is a chance. That is why I am not allowing you, or I am asked not to allow you. This is not my individual decision, but this is the decision of the district administration and the authority.
See, I understood.
I'm mentioning it again. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just a messenger here.
I understood that one. But why my question is that we are not allowed to go there. But why the Meghalaya police used to come frequently?
That was not in my knowledge.
Their organization are also visiting their borders.
Now that I have known, of course, I'll go and talk to Madam Ward.
it was under barricade. So until and unless the government did not decide, then we don't get to enter each area. Then how the people of Meghalaya, they come in and cross our land, number one. Number two is that how we are genuine people, we cannot go in and see our own land. देखिए बात ऐसे है ना, अगर बैरिकेड हो गया बट अंटिल एंड अनलेस गवर्नमेंट लोग ने डिसाइड नहीं करा तो यहाँ पे हम लोग जाने नहीं सका. ठीक है, हम लोग मानता है वहाँ का आदमी लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, हम लोग कैसे जाने नहीं सका सर? That's the main thing.
That's the question.
I got your point, and I'll put your
Law
put
and
forward-
order
put
should
forward
be
your point
equal.
in the concern, please. Okay, I got your point.
हम लोग ये चाहता है कि हम लोग दूसरा का घर में तो हम लोग नहीं घुस रहे हैं. वी हैव अवर ओन लैंड. हम